If you've ever split a clip in CapCut and then realized you want to delete just that split part, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a split in CapCut on PC in just a few simple steps. This is super useful when you're cleaning up your timeline, removing mistakes, or trimming down sections of a video without starting over. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Make sure the project you want to edit is already loaded so you can see your clips on the timeline. Once your project is open, look down at the timeline and find the clip that has been split. A split clip will usually appear as two separate pieces, and the small segment is the one you want to remove. Now click on that split part carefully. You want to select only the small section you don't want, not the entire clip. When it is selected, it should be highlighted so you know CapCut is ready for the next action. After that, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. CapCut will remove that split section right away, leaving the rest of your video intact. If there is any gap left behind on the timeline, you can drag the remaining clips together if needed, so your video stays seamless. And that's really all there is to it. Deleting a split in CapCut is fast, easy, and a great way to keep your edits clean and organized. If you want more simple CapCut tutorials like this one, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.